Your stomach is so powerful, it can actually dissolve you. The acid inside your stomach is strong enough to break down meat, bone, and almost anything you eat. But here's the strange part. That same acid could digest your own stomach if the organ didn't constantly rebuild its inner lining. Every few days, your stomach regenerates a brand new protective layer just to keep itself from being destroyed. So the next time you feel your stomach rumble, remember, it's a tiny chemical factory working non-stop just to avoid eating itself alive. Pretty wild, right?